welcome to the video. Hello guys, Tina post like 5 days. I don't know. Di na what days this is. Dahil January 14. And in a post sabi, babalik January 10. And not January 10, it's January 14. Sorry, Di na post because may work, may school. Yes, meron. That's why it doesn't post like 1 week ago. I don't know. The last video said didn't post again in January 10 or 14. Oh, Melty Print. Start January 20. The new studio in my life. The new quickly followers win. Yes, subscribe. Like and subscribe and comment now. The dino comment turn off. Okay, so see, the last video said doesn't post because what happened? This Frankie Master got gone. If I don't make it again, decide gone. But mail secret. This secret is Frankie Master. Checks Frankie Master. It actually worked. Di alam, January 10, 2024, I don't know what happened. What happened to the Sprunky Master? I check a new Sprunky and kita ko it actually worked. Sabi, what? What happened there? Sabi, I don't know what happened there. On the way, just chill. How in a possible in work? I don't know. I feel like today, I feel like the Spunky Master is work now. I don't know how in a work instead on the live. See, you're last on the way. Okay, so yeah, I got new earphones. Yeah, I have these earphones like my mic like that. Just seeing before. Like that. I feel like may hulugin nito. And then, I'm still alive. And thank you for watching the video. Bye-bye.